When you launch HighDesign, the main window opens as a blank drafting sheet, ready to start a new project. The default new document is generated using the automatic template. Before starting a new project, it is useful to set up the main settings and drawing utilities according to the drawing standard you wish to use in the current project, such as the paper format and size and the sheet drawing units. In HighDesign, the Project Settings window, available through the Project menu, includes the panes to set all the default drawing options specific to the current project. Units, to define units and precision for lengths, angles, areas, and volumes of the current project. Paper format, to select the default paper format according to the used standard and page orientation and margins. Grid, for grid size, subdivisions, appearance, and options. Appearance, to set background and selection themes and color, points, and construction lines appearance. Information, for the Pro version only, to add text information to the project. The project browser lists all the items that make up the project: drafting sheets, details, schedules, layouts. Layouts are special sheets used to present the project. By using this panel, you can quickly create, arrange, rename, and delete sheets, change their visibility, protection, optional size, and scale attributes. Each drafting sheet can include a single drawing of the whole project and can have its own drawing scale and units, different from the default of the project. Use layers to conveniently group elements of the project in a logical way and organize a complex drawing into different component parts. Any element of a drawing in HighDesign belongs to a layer. Use the Layers panel of the Resource Manager on the Project menu to create, name, and arrange layers and to manage their properties. Each layer in HighDesign has its own properties. Name. Layers are identified by their name. Change layer's name in the Layers Manager. Visibility. A layer can be visible or invisible. Lock. Layers can be locked to make their items not selectable. Color. Layers come with a default color. If the bilayer option is on, any new item gets the color of its layer. Drawing tool binding. You can create a binding between a drawing tool and a layer so that every time you activate that tool, the layer is set automatically. Opacity controls the overall opacity at which the objects on that layer are displayed. Use the Layers menu on the Properties bar and the Layers tab on the sidebar to quickly handle listed layers. Select the desired layer by a click to update the current default or to change the layer of the selection. The name of the current layer is shown on the menu. Use the commands of the Layers menu or tab to create a new layer, show all layers, hide other layers, mask other layers, access the Layers Manager for accurate setup, and change the layer's opacity. Now you are ready to explore the drafting tools in HighDesign.